In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix OneNote showing my initials. If you're finding initials next to your notes in OneNote, don't worry. This usually means the authors feature is enabled. This feature indicates who last edited content in a notebook. It's important to note that this does not necessarily mean your notebook has been shared with others. Understanding how this works can help you manage your notes better and keep your information organized. To start, let's hide those author initials if you want a cleaner look. First, open OneNote on your computer. You will see the familiar interface with your notebooks displayed. Once you have OneNote open, look for the History tab in the ribbon at the top. This tab is crucial because it contains the tools related to changes and authorship. Click on the History tab. You will see various options appear. Now find and click on Hide Authors. When you do this, the author initials and colored change markers will disappear from your notes. This action helps streamline your notes and makes them easier to read. Now that the author initials are hidden, it's also helpful to manage how recent changes are displayed. If OneNote is highlighting recent edits, you might want to mark these changes as read. Start by opening OneNote again if it isn't already open. Navigate to the History tab once more. This is where you can control how changes are tracked. Find the option that says Mark as Read, or it may say Mark Notebook as Read, depending on your version of OneNote. Click this option. Doing this will remove the unread change highlighting, giving you a cleaner workspace. This little step saves you a lot of time later, as it helps you focus on what's most important in your notes. Next up, if you are still concerned about those initials, it's a good idea to verify that your notebook isn't shared with anyone else. Open the notebook in OneNote or OneDrive to check. Once inside, look for the Share settings. This is typically found in the upper right corner of the interface. Click on it to see who has access to your notebook. Confirm that only the people you expect have access. This assurance is important because seeing initials alone does not mean your notebook is shared. OneNote may display your own author information in personal notebooks as well. If you find that the displayed initials are incorrect, you can change them through your Office settings. Start by opening any Microsoft Office app, such as Word or OneNote. Once you have one open, navigate to the File menu, click on File, and then select Options. This will open a new window with various settings. Look for the General section. Under Personalize your copy of Microsoft Office, you will find fields to update your username and initials. Update these fields with the correct information. After making your changes, click OK. This will ensure that the name and initials used across all Office apps are correct, providing consistency in your documents. In summary, shared notebooks will show who made each change by displaying author initials. Even in personal notebooks, you might see initials if author tracking is enabled or if you've edited the notebook from multiple devices. This behavior is normal. By following these steps, you can manage and customize how OneNote displays author information, making your note-taking experience much more pleasant and efficient.